How much is my slip and fall case worth? As with any injury claim, the value of a slip and fall case depends upon liability. Can we prove fault for the fall and negligence of another party? Slip and fall or trip and fall cases are unique and different from traffic accidents. For instance, if you are stopped at a red light, you're a sitting duck. Someone can come up from behind and hit you, and there's really nothing that you could have done about it. But in a slip and fall, you are almost always a participant in the event. So, questions are raised in a slip and fall case. Why didn't you see the condition? What did you do to avoid the condition? Why didn't you avoid the condition? Were you paying attention? Liability issues are present in slip and fall cases that are not present in other types of cases. We have to establish that there was a dangerous condition, that the defendant either created the condition or should have known about it had they been diligent in maintaining their property. That's how we establish liability on the defendant. However, we also have to address, why did you, of all people, happen to fall and become injured? Was the dangerous condition obvious to you? In a store that's well lit, a clear liquid water may not be obvious. Also, in stores, the owners want you to look at the shelves in front of you. They have aisle markers suspended from above, requiring you to raise your head up to see them. They stock or front shelves so that they look full and inviting and draw your eyes so that you select products and make purchases. They actually don't want you, the customer, walking around looking at the floor, so it may be reasonable for you not to see a condition on the floor. Yet, defendants in store slip and fall cases always try to blame the victim. When a case involves a broken sidewalk or raised piece of concrete, it may be tough to explain why you didn't see that 1 or 2 inch lift in the sidewalk if it's daylight and you're familiar with the area. On the other hand, if you're not familiar with the area, if there were leaves or debris obstructing the raised sidewalk or concrete, preventing you from seeing the defect or being aware of it, that can be a very good case. The damages are also important when it comes to your injury. What type of medical care did you need to get? What was the cost of the care? Did your injury fully resolve, or are you left with residual pain and disabilities? How much are your medical expenses? Is there a loss of income? How did the injuries affect your life and your ability to engage in activities of daily living? The more long-lasting and profound your injuries, the greater the potential value of your claim. Those are the factors that we consider in determining the value of a slip and fall case. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.